If you've been tired of fact checkers on your social media platforms, this video I want to talk about a really powerful message that was sent by one of the leading medical journals in the world to some of the social media platforms that are banning them. Hey, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the blockages in their health so they can lead amazing, fantastic lives. Today, I want to do a little bit of a follow-up on another video that we posted in regards to an article that was published by the British Journal of Medicine. So for anyone who might not know, the British Journal of Medicine is one of the leading research articles in healthcare and in medicine. They published for years and years and years and have a great reputation and very high levels of citation and high recognition for the work that they do. And in that video, you'll see they shared information that should lead all of us to have questions and concerns about some of the vaccines that were being told to be taken and the effectiveness and quality of the research that was done to set the foundation for them. One of the things that happened with that is many people grasped onto that research article. It was really powerful. They shared it with many people because so many of us have questions about what we should be doing right now so that we can be healthy and strong, so that we can wind up living the life that we used to remember, and so that we can enjoy life. So with that article being shared, some of the social media platforms, including Facebook, had their fact checkers label it as inaccurate information. And if you wind up looking at the research that they've done, it's very accurate, very well cited. However, what the editors of that journal did, the British Journal of Medicine, they wrote a letter to Mark Zuckerberg, and they clearly stated out all of the facts that they used within this article. They also pulled out and shared how their fact checkers are inaccurate and how their fact checkers, which the British Journal of Medicine looked to reach out to ask questions to understand what did they find that was inaccurate, how can they improve it, because they are looking to be a foundation for improved learning and information, because if their information was wrong, they would want to be one of the first to recognize and let folks know that they did make a mistake. However, what they said is that they were unable to get through to and or to communicate with the fact checker. And I'm gonna leave a link in the messages down below to this letter that they published in their journal in response to the Pfizer vaccine trials. And in this letter, they just really tell Mr. Zuckerberg that he needs to have people who actually know the research and have read the research, because this wasn't read by their fact checkers to determine whether it was truthful or not. So if you've been wondering how or why or when they determine whether things are fact checked or not, here's a little tidbit on it, and check out that link to the article or the letter that they wind up publishing on it. If you're wondering what should you be doing to help yourself stay strong and powerful and healthy through this, you can check out the video we did on the actual article. We went through and went over some of the foundational things you can put into your life to help you stay healthy and strong. If you've got more questions about this, go ahead and write down below. I'll look to answer them as quickly as I can. If you like this, also give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for information and content like this and how you can take control of your life, build your health, and remove the blockages in your health that may be preventing you from living an amazing, fantastic life. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.